Hey folks, found out what's wrong with this bolt that was holding up the front axle. It looks like this thing was stripped, from what I can see. This thing's threaded. This thing's gonna sit like this. Although I think maybe this is the wrong bolt anyway. One aside on this, this thing's got a fuel pump on it. Fuel line comes in here, and it goes up through that pump there. I got it sprayed with carb cleaner, but well, that's you don't see that much anymore. Most of it's gravity fed, I think, or some computer or something. But anyway, okay, well, still working at it. Got the belt and pulley off here on this side. Gonna take a lot of cleaning, but hey, what the heck? Something to do. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.